Welcome to help screen. And if you don't have a chat into your experience, as you can see, we don't have any chats. In order for you to fix that issue, first thing is, of course, go ahead and go to your Roblox application. Now, once you are here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here on the more tab, just simply scroll down, and from here, you should be able to see the settings. So go ahead and tap on the settings. Now, from here, guys, you should be able to see privacy and content restrictions. So tap on it. Now, from here, you should be able to see here communication. So tap on the communication tab, guys, and you should be able to see here experience chat. So tap on it. And from here, as you can see, my experience chat is currently turned off. So as you can see, it is on no one. So just simply switch it to everyone. And you could also have here the direct chat where people can send you a message. So you could toggle everyone so people can send you a message if they want to. Now, after you have turned that on and changed that setting, you could just simply go back to your game. Now, as you can see, we will now have the chat at the top over here and should be able to see them and should be able to see the server chats. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below and we'll do our best to answer them all. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.